ice cream, softies and swirls, nuts and sweet toppings, flavors out of this world. Have it in a cup or a freshly baked cone. Bring your friends along, don't have it alone. Ice cream, single scoop or double. If you can't make up your mind, then go for a triple. It's the perfect weather-soother from the scorching summer sun. Have one now and then go for a run. Ice cream, it's saccharine indeed. At the end of the day, remember to brush your teeth. You can have it anywhere, even on the bus. Be sure to carry a napkin to enjoy it without a fuss. Ice cream, oh how they melt in the mouth. When I have one in my hand, I have to stick my tongue out to lick and reminisce the taste of my childhood, filled of sweet memories and all things good. Ice cream, with so many flavors to taste. From chocolate to blackcurrant, there's just no time to waste. Even grandpas with dentures still enjoy a spoon or two. If you haven't had one yet, well, what's stopping you? That brings us to the end of another bedtime rhyme. Hope you enjoyed it. Off you go now into a land of beautiful dreams. This is MonMon wishing you all good night.